Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically log into CapCut using either TikTok or Google. So just go to menu and go back to home page, and then I've already logged in, so I'm just going to quickly log out for a bit and just show you. Here you can press sign in, and here you'll have these options to sign in with TikTok, Google, or Facebook. For instance, you want to sign in with Google, just select it, and you're just going to basically connect it with your account. But it is easier to, well, you'll have more like features if you sign in with TikTok. So just like sign in with TikTok, you'll have access to the songs you favorited on the app itself, so you don't have to like download it and like import it and stuff like that. The sound will be just there if it's available for you to use. So I think you should just sign in with TikTok because it is the simpler option, I guess. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!